how we get enjoyment from creating things for others, they can give it back by giving us compliments. And a lot of times that's all people need to hear. That attaboy, like, how's your day going? I love your smile. That's a cool shirt. And just stop people because they're not ready for that yet.
Hmm.
And that is, think about someone at a cash register at a grocery store, right? Constantly people coming by. They say the same thing over and over. Did you find everything? Well, yeah, I did. It was great. Thanks so much for asking. I really appreciate it. Your tone of voice has a huge impact on the message they're receiving. I'm like, yeah, I guess. Like, our attitude is huge. And I always tell people I work with, I'm like, listen, say you're coming from work, you're pulling into your driveway or you're in your office, just sit with yourself for a minute and just relax, decompress a bit, and say, hey, how can I show up being the best version of who I need to be once I walk out of that door or walk into the house? How can I be the best caretaker, caregiver, spouse, partner, husband, mother, father? And then walk in with that energy, being, hey, how was everyone's day today? Not, hey, how was your day?